Hey guys, welcome back to episode 2 of the Mitsubishi Lancer Build. So we're at one of our local junkyards, Rex and I. We're looking for a starter for the Mitsubishi. Unfortunately, I'm having a few starter issues. That was expected after getting the car back. It was starting a bit rough. So today we're trying to fix that issue, possibly do an oil change, but at this point the engines are going to be removed anyway, so there's no point. So Rex, where are the Mitsubishis?
I believe they're over that way. So many of them too.
Bit of a
Where do you pick from? Which one are we gonna pick?
Picked one with the lowest kilometers, I think. So Rex and I think we found our victim. It's a white 1999 Mitsubishi Lancer, or Mirage as you US owners rather know. Has a 4G15 motor, which is the exact same one that I've got. Now we believe the starter's like somewhere down in there. So I guess we're just gonna start pulling stuff out and we'll show you the proper install on my Lancer when we get it back home. Rex and I have officially given up. The starter was just too difficult to get out at the wreckers. It was a bit of a joke, not gonna lie. So we've now come to the local Bosch plant or Bosch service centre. The local Bosch shop, and hopefully they've got a starter for the Shitsubishi as it's been nicknamed by Rex, and we'll hopefully buy it from there. So it's now been about a week. We screwed around a bit too much in the graveyard of Mitsubishis and Lancers and old Fords and couldn't pull out the starter, so I've just gone, bought a brand new one, not gonna screw around anymore. Just gonna chuck it in the little Shitsubishi over here and see if we can fix the issue. We're gonna use the instructions, Rex?
No.
Definitely not. Let's yellow it. So the actual starter of this old Mitsubishi Lancer is way below the intake. So at the wreckers we tried to remove the intake. It was, all I can say is a bit of a difficult job. So the easiest way we found it is to actually jack the car up and get underneath. So sort of going from the bottom.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now. You cashed in.
The first thing that needs to be removed in this starter install is obviously the airbox and the intake.
So we know that the starter is located under this air intake manifold. It's just located right down there where the transmission is. We are not 100% sure on how to remove it, but we found out that it was very difficult trying to get it from the top, so we're gonna have to go underneath the car. Ain't that right, Lachlan?
Should be pretty easy.
What the fuck? So this is our ingenious method of removing this bolt. So I've got this breaker bar connected to a nice long socket onto a swivel socket thingo onto a 14mm. And we're removing that top bolt like that. And then you can see.
Basically a Frankenstein setup. I'm fucking zooming in, dude.
Come here, fam. Holy fuck, it looks huge. Nice. Nice. Ah, yes.
Unfortunately, I didn't actually explain what happened here. Somehow the starter shield broke off, and that was what was causing all my starter issues.
The only question is, the shield is that going to be in the way?
Oh, Jesus, yeah, what the hell? That doesn't look exactly the same, does it?
No, it does not.
The hell? It looks like this has been like shaved off. Maybe that's why the starter's being so weird. Dude, maybe that thing broke. Maybe it's still in there. There it is. Lachlan's gonna pull it out now. Oh, can you even get it out? Oh, nice.
Dude, it is cooked.
What? Let's have a look. But there we go, that's the problem, guys. We've found it. So let's just put this thing back on. Ah, perfect fit.
There's a big chunk of it missing.
Where? Oh shit, so that's stuck in your bell housing.
Shit design.
What the fuck? How does it even happen yet? Alright, so we've got everything like pretty much connected up, yeah?
Yep, I think so.
We're gonna give the car a start with everything. And hopefully it starts because we've been here for about in an hour and a bit. Not too bad.
2 hours now?
2 hours. Alright, let's give it a start.
About 2 hours.
Hopefully it sounds good. Not like before. Oh, do you want to put your intake back on at all? Or are you just gonna...
Fucking leave it on.
Alright. Oh! Nice.
Other joysticks this
Nice. Alright, turn her off.
Let's see this start.
Nice. Sounds good.
Sounds very good.